Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Basis Online Education. I'm a Sohail sir, your math teacher. Today I'm here to teach exercise 15.5 from Level Up Maths. 15.5 is about graph and skills. Question number 1 is about bar graph or bar chart, and 2 number is about the skills, different measurement skills that are used here. So let's see the first one. These two bars shows the same data and they just change their class interval. The distance that changes. If I compare that, they started 0, 4, 8. Its distance is 4 each time. But if you compare group B, starting with the 20, then 22, 24, 26, like starting number different and their distance one number to another is the difference is just 2. So let's see what they are asking in questions. Question number A, they are asking in which two ways are they different. These two, what is their difference? So I already say to you that as you can see that the first number is 0, but the first number is 20. So we say that in graph A, starting number is 0, but in graph B it is 20. So first way we have done. Second, we can tell that in graph A, class interval means difference between each number, it's 4, whereas but if in graph B it is 2. So these type of sentences you can make it your own. It's not that you have to copy my one. You can write it your own way, but it must be related to these questions and the answers. B number, which group was easier to read this data? We all know that when distance class interval are less, that graph were more clear to find out the value. So distance less distance is graph B. That's why group B is my answer. C number, which group shows more clearly that each day's scale are similar? As if you see that group B, it's down, up, down, up, down, too much difference. But if you see A graph, you can see that quite similar. There is no that difference is so little bit. So we can say that group A, it's quite similar. So question number 1 done. Let's talk about question number 2. Join each skills to the category that it could be the best use for. Let's check this, which skills they have given. As you can see that first they have a number, they have written number of millions. It's been just 20. It's been 20 million, 15 million, 10 million, 5 million, 0 million. Another one they didn't give that, but had a number they have given 20. 35 decimal number they have given, but it's 40. 39 is the highest number, and 2.0 is the highest number, decimal number. 0 to 100 is meant percentage, automatically you can get it. And number of thousands, as you can see that means it's 100,000, 90,000, 50,000. So it's very important. First we have to look at these skills and then start working. And you can see that upper they have given some options: capacity of football stadium, percentage of corrected test, and height of a year 7's age, and gym temperature, number of the TV programmer, temperature of a patient, all these things. So which would be suitable, we have to work out this one. As you can see that A number scale talking about millions, so million people watching a TV program, so we can check A scale would be appropriate for number of the TV program viewers. Second number, it's the highest number was 20, 0 to 20, 0 to 4 up to 20. So normally you can take gym temperature. Then C number, temperature of a patient. As you can see that it's the decimal number they have given. Sometimes heartbeat, some we can find out in a hospital there is a ICU TV screens over there, that they use some numbers on a screen. Most of the time it's in a decimal. So we can say that number of the patient's temperature of a patient could be C. D number, height of a year 7. E number, as you can see that the highest number was 100. Automatically exam usually we take 100 percentage correct in a test. And F number, capacity of football stadium. In a stadium usually thousands people stay to watch this game, so usually you can take this last one for the stadium. So when you solve this type of maths, it's more important to understand which item should use in which way. If we say about our assessment exams, the highest number is 10. If some skills given more than 10, we can take these skills for our measurement one, right? So you have to know these limited one. The at least how much we could go.